So satisfying. Hey guys, and today on the adventures of Not Tom Sawyer, we will be carving pumpkins. My mom's already gotten the top off, and I'm just trying to get all the guts out. Okay. Go. So I think we got all the stringies. Oh yeah, we got mostly got the stringies off. I'm gonna use this. Go. It's so gross. Man, look how much stuff I've already gotten. This is of it mostly gone. It's not all gone, but it's mostly. This is all mine. Yeah, and I'm just gonna be trying to get all the final stuff out. So, and look at this. So satisfying. It's just so much. Now. What do you think of my Jack Skellington Pumpkin King pumpkin? Hope y'all guys enjoyed this video of me carving my pumpkin. And I hope y'all guys enjoy. Like and subscribe. Have a good day.